What's up, guys? Wanted to make a really quick video for you guys. So basically, I've been getting some of my students saying that every time they go here, they type in their order and then they would basically hit the buy button, even though it's a limit order. They would hit their buy button, expecting it to be here pending. It goes through immediately. It gets executed right away. I'm not sure why that is, but we came from SureTrader. With the SureTrader platform, you basically could just put in 1,000 shares or 3,000 shares, and then you put in your limit order, and then you put in your price, and you hit your buy. Whatever price you hit the buy button on, it would then get executed at that price. But for some reason, when you hit the buy button here, it goes in immediately, even though you put in a price that's maybe like 450 and it's not even trading at 450. It would get executed at this 408, which is what it's executing right now. So because of that, shout out to Mike Omega, one of my students. He actually jumped in, called CMEG and was on the phone for about an hour before he actually spoke to them, and they explained to him how to do it. And so now I'm saving the rest of you guys an hour just to show you guys how it's done, or possibly more than an hour. These people have you on hold forever. So basically, this is what they said. You basically have to hit the right mouse key. This box pops up. You're going to have to put in a stop order. So it has to be a stop order, right? Once you have a stop order, then you put in your price. This right here needs to be a stop order, right? And then at that point, then you're going to put in the amount of shares. Let's just put 1 share to be on the safe side. So let's say you want to, whatever, 1,000 shares, 3,000, you put in the amount of shares there, and then you're going to put in the price. Let's say I wanted to execute as 450. I would go over here and type in 4.5. And at that point, then I would go over here and hit the trigger price, which is 4.5. So at that point, now it should be able to go through. Once you hit the buy button, as you can see, this is a stop order, and you can make this limit or market. I'm not even sure if that makes a difference, because it's just a stop order and it should be a limit. I always put it on limit, and the limit should be able to go through. As you can see, I hit the buy button, bam. As you can see now, it's sitting there. 1 share is sitting there waiting for me, and it's going to be executed once it hits that 450 mark. Okay, and that's there for the whole day. All right. So hope you guys got some value out of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out before I forget. So yeah, you just basically have to go into your style, and then you're gonna have to go to stop order, and then you're gonna have to, once this pops up, then you're gonna have to make it your limit order, and then type in your 450. Make sure it's 450 up there as well, and then hit your buy. That's the trigger price. Okay, so hope you guys got some value out of this one. If you guys have any questions, comment below. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention Trade Ideas. This is the best scanner on earth. It tells me what's moving real time. It tells me what's going on real time. This generic scanner, yes, you can get away with it, but you got to keep pushing refresh, scan, scan, scan for it to refresh. Then you got to go down and hit this to see which one is the top mover. And by the time you're doing that, it's popping up here, as you can see, and I can just jump in these trades. It's already there for me. I don't have to hit the scan button. I don't have to refresh anything. Yes, these generic scanners work, but if you want to be the best and you want to play with the big boys, you got to get big boy toys, right? So of course this is a monthly payment, and of course this is free, but this is way faster, and it's definitely worth the money. The amount of steps and the amount of time it takes for you to go through these scanners, this right here cuts that time. It's just speed, and the name of this game is speed. If you're a day trader and you don't have speed, hey, you already know what's going to happen. All right. So anyways, hope you guys got value out of this one. There's a link below to Trade Ideas. Sign up for Trade Ideas. And if you guys have any questions, hit me up. All right. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later.